All right, the next question says, at the broadest level, why does the financial system move an economy's scarce resources from savers to borrowers? So we can imagine a situation where you have a commercial bank and you have people who deposit money into savings accounts in that bank. And what the commercial bank does is it takes those reserves and it loans out a portion of those reserves to people who are looking to take out loans. And people can take out loans for a variety of reasons. Maybe they're buying a house and they need a loan on the house. Maybe they are doing investing into a business that they're creating. And so the reason that financial systems move those resources from savers to borrowers is that the financial system did nothing and those resources stayed where they are. And the money that savers put aside to save for the future does nothing in the economy today, right? It just kind of earns a little bit of interest and it isn't being put to productive use. Meanwhile, borrowers who might need those resources to invest in business ventures that are going to be productive today or one day going to be productive, they're not going to have the resources necessary to do that. And so overall output for the economy is going to go down. If you keep resources in a place where they're not being used that much and you take away or you prevent resources from going to places where they would be the most useful in creating more value for the economy. So the financial system fixes this by kind of bridging that gap between savers and borrowers. So let's take a look at the previous tutor's answer. So the previous tutor said that savings and investments are the key drivers for GDP and growth of the economy. The financial system helps connect the saver and the investor. Savers are people who earn more and spend less, while borrowers are people who earn less and spend more. Furthermore, to help in growth of the country, the financial system moves the economy's scarce resources from savers to borrowers. As savers may be saving for their children to buy a house later, etc., who are not contributing to GDP currently, whereas borrowers take money and pay interest on that and invest it currently, thus adding up for the growth of the country. It is therefore beneficial for the financial system to direct money from savers to borrowers. Great.